Okay, guys, we are in grade 10 maths, and we are looking at ordered pairs. This is actually the first topic in your syllabus, basically on sets. Now, guys, in this lesson, you will be able to interpret ordered pairs and generate elements of a set from the concept. Uh, I will just to the axis of symmetry, or the, the system of axes. If you have the y axis and the x axis, you know that you are going to, if you are going to plot a point, let's say here, this point here is going to have actually the x value here and the y value there. Okay, so then we will have a coordinate like x, comma, y general. All right. So if we have another point somewhere, we will also have the y value and the x value somewhere there. So it will generally be x, comma, y. Right. So this is called the coordinate, the Cartesian coordinate. This, but within the Cartesian coordinate, the x Cartesian coordinate, x coordinate, we have the x coordinate, and we also have the y coordinate. So, a coordinate which has the x Cartesian coordinate and the y coordinate, it's like a coordinate. We have one coordinate, but there is a pair of Cartesian coordinates in here. There are two coordinates. There is this x Cartesian coordinate and this y Cartesian coordinate. And even here there are two. There are two. So we are talking about pairs here. And these pairs are ordered because of what we are going to discover right now. I'm going to show you why we are saying they are ordered pairs. Let's look back at mappings, the concept of mappings. Mappings. The concept of a mapping of x onto x plus 2. What happens? If we have a few values of x like this, what are we going to do? We are going to say, in this case, we are going to substitute. For x plus 2, we are going to substitute minus 2, which is this x here, plus 2, which is this one. And our answer is going to be 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Here, we are going to substitute 0, which is this one, which is the x here. And we are going to say plus 2, and our answer is going to be 2. Here, we are going to plus 2, which is equal. We have the value of x here, and this 0 corresponds to this x. This 0 is the value of this, which corresponds to this x. Okay? This 2 corresponds to this 2, positive 2 here. All right? Now, we can generally say we had x, comma, x plus 2. All right? We can generally say we had this. So now, this actually would be in this way in terms of these values. It would be negative 2, comma, 0. Because for this expression, when you substitute negative 2 in this expression, we get 0. Here, we have 0, comma what? 2. Let's just sketch it. Okay? Where we have negative 2 here, comma 0. Then 0, comma 2 would be somewhere here. 0, comma 2 would be somewhere here. And then 2, comma 4, 2, comma 4 would be somewhere up here. Okay? Then we can just draw a straight line through this point. By this expression, they are ordered. Okay? So, meaning that they are ordered, we are saying there is an order. There is a sort of a general that will take us to saying, okay, if we call this y, this x, this y, so that we have something like this, xy, okay, that would mean that our y is actually equal to x plus, that's what actually would be actually implied here. Okay, so this is a formula, and a formula is a rule, and a rule is an order. So when we talk of ordered pairs, we are talking about two values which actually one is an input and the other one is like there is a system in which we put in a number, a certain value in that machine, in that system, and the system will give us a certain number. Okay? When we put a certain value of x into a certain system, that system will give us a specific value of y, which will correspond to that value of x. So if we pair the two values, the input and the output, that is what we call an ordered pair. It is ordered because it has gone through a certain system. It has gone through a certain programming. Are we together? So that is basically what we mean by ordered pairs. Now, let me show you this now. Sometimes our sets could be sets of Just want to show you something here, guys. I'm sorry. We have ordered pairs, -2, 0. This that's as, let's say, set of ordered pairs. Let's call it set P. So set P is equal to 0, 0, 2. This is a set. What is it? It's a set of what? It's a set of ordered pairs. So we can come up with ordered pairs from where? Basically, you can use mappings. Mappings will give you those ordered pairs. Then from there, you can form coordinates from those ordered pairs, and those coordinates could be as elements of a set. Okay, guys, I hope this lesson has been helpful. In this lesson, we were just actually interpreting what an ordered pair is. Uh, this brings us to the end of the lesson. Until we meet again in the next, please like, share, and subscribe.